Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I am doing well. It's sunny and bright outside. I am about to have me some lunch. I'm hungry. And lunch today, what we're having is going to be famous days. My mouth is watering. I'm hungry. Yes, I'm just gonna get right into this video, you guys, because I am hungry. Let me turn this around so I can get right to it. But you guys, I got the famous days lunch special today, and the lunch special comes with fries and two meat sides. So I was able to get any two meats, and they're famous cornbread. The famous cornbread. Okay, it smells so good. Okay, that's cornbread right there, and the famous days, rich and sassy. Yes. Kind of like me. I'm not rich, but I can be sometimes sassy. I'm just gonna be patient for that to come, and I'm gonna be rich. But I got my sauce, you guys, because I don't put sauce on my meat. I like to just add it, so that's why I got the sauce on the side. And I got me. Uh-oh, did I just do that? I just spilled, you guys. Okay, you guys. That's how I like my pop. So I got one of my favorite pops I've been drinking lately. I just have fell in love with the Canada Dry ginger ale with lemonade. Yes, very good. So I've clean, crisp, and good. Y'all hear that sound? Just freshens the palate. Yes. I love that sound, actually. I like that. It's good too. But we got to get into this luncheon, baby. So we finna get into this. 1 second. I don't like that. So this is what I like. If I'm gonna eat something, I'd rather it be rich, and I'd rather it be sassy with a little bit of sweet. Ooh, I don't want to drip none. I'm gonna just put it right on the side, right there. I better get off into the rib tips too, so I can let you guys know how that tastes. But before I do that, I'm gonna eat another wing. So it looks like they only give you about 5 wings with the lunch special. So it probably was supposed to be 6. I just forgot my piece of chicken. Or it was supposed to be 5. And I got the right amount. These chicken wings is really good. Whoever on the grill at Famous Days, baby, shout out. Shout out to you. But it's all done real good and real well. And back to the barbecue sauces. Another reason why I don't do the barbecue sauces, because I like to taste my meat, what I'm eating. And sometimes barbecue sauce can hide that, because they got these on fire today. The chicken wing, rib tip, nice and smoked. Nice and smoked. It was so tender. Just eat it right off the bone. That's how you eat a rib. Some people probably eat it better than that. Some people probably eat it better than that, but that was good. Now I'm gonna try one with the barbecue sauce. Get it all up in there. Get all that barbecue sauce. All that barbecue sauce. No, that was good. Barbecue fries. Yep. Excuse me. So when I was in Famous Days ordering my food, the cashier lady who was taking my order, she was like, "You got some really pretty dark skin." She was like, I gotta get that. She said, "You got some really pretty dark skin." She said, she said, "My opinion, being a browner skinned woman," which is what she was African American as well. She said, "Just my opinion." She said, "I just noticed that, African Americans with darker skin tend to have better pigmentation. Our pigmentation is she was saying, very strong, very, very high." She said, which doesn't give us wrinkles too fast. You know what I'm saying? And she felt like it keeps our skin very youthful and less wrinkles and stuff. She said versus brown skinned women, she feel like herself, wrinkles tend to show faster. And then she said, "I don't mean to offend you. I'm sorry, I hope I didn't offend you." And I said, "No, you didn't offend me." I said, "You didn't offend me. Actually, thank you. Thank you." Because, I said, when people say that, you know what? I always say thank you. And I tell them, you know what? My grandma gave us really good genes. Because not just me, my mom, my aunties and all of us are pretty, kind of up there in age, but look very good for our age. But my grandmother was like 97 years old when she passed away, and she only looked like she was about maybe 60 years old, 55, 60. I'm gonna have to put a picture up so you guys can see that. So anyways, I said, thank you. No, I'm not offended. I never even thought of it like that. And I said, but no, your opinion is your opinion, and I can, okay. So now I might have something extra to say about where I get my not just my dark complexion, but also my fountain of youth. Because, and if you guys want to know my age, drop a comment down below asking, and I will give it to you. And then the other thing is, what do you guys think? Do you guys think that I have a pretty dark complexion or not? In either way, please leave your comment, because everybody does not value the same opinion. Because when I was young, I was told that dark skin, it was kind of ugly and that kind of thing. So it wasn't until my teenage years, or actually becoming a younger woman, that I was able to really, really embrace my dark skin. And also realize that dark is beautiful. All shades are beautiful. Dark, medium brown, white, yellow, it doesn't matter. All shades are beautiful. But I'm saying growing up in society, it was really, really hard for me because I was always told that it was very, very ugly. So again, you guys, if you guys like, again, my complexion, or again, have a comment on it, please, please, please go down below and comment. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like, because I'm going to bring another video and you can best believe that. Yes.